Introduce short overview by voice or pictures of JINYI Dash Cam for cars 1080p, 3-inch dashboard camera with night vision, 90, wide angle, parking monitor, loop recording, motion detection. G sensor. Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. We will introduce outstanding features in fast time with illustrations and descriptions of JINYI Dash Cam for cars 1080p, if you are searching for JINYI Dash Cam for cars 1080p. It is recommended that you do not miss it. But, if you think in this video there are not enough details, you want JINYI Dash Cam for cars 1080p more details? If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.